Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and for today's craft, I will be combining two of my favorite things, home decor and birds. So to start this craft, we're going to separate our two shadow boxes, and for a total for this craft, we are going to need a total of 4. For my shadow boxes, I used 2 different types of paint. I used chalk and regular, and chose pink, peach, and turquoise. However, you can use any colors you like to match your birds. You can find these shadow boxes at your local Hobby Lobby for sale. They were priced $7.99, however, they were on sale, so I did get them for only 79 cents. Now here are our stars of the show. I found both of these beautiful owl and bird, both at the Dollar Tree. Once you've painted your shadow boxes, they're ready to be glued. Now for the owl, I have both boxes laying horizontally and I will glue them both to each. Next, to add some cute accents, I have these little wooden hearts. They're also painted in the peach color, and I'm going to glue them to the front of the box to give them a cute little Valentine's look, as well as being able to leave it out all year long. Once both of the boxes are dried after being glued together, we are going to take this adorable owl from the Dollar Tree, glue the base, and glue him right on top of both of those shadow boxes. Next, we're going to take our other 2 shadow boxes to begin our craft for our little bird. I painted the background of this shadow box to make our scrap paper part have a seamless look. Next, we are taking our little wooden heart and gluing it inside the shadow box to accent it. And finally, we are taking our 2 wooden shadow boxes and gluing them together to make a T shape. This shape is perfect for the craft at hand since it will look like a little bird perch once we put our bird on top. I just absolutely love this one. It came out so adorable. So lastly, to spruce up both of our nests, we are going to take both brown and green Spanish moss to accent our pieces. Make sure when crafting this that you do take the Spanish moss all the way around and get on each side of your bird. Didn't he come out just so adorable? And for our last bird, we are going to use the green Spanish moss. This craft came out just so cute, and I cannot wait to display them for Valentine's Day and throughout the spring. Thank you so much for watching Our Decorative Nest, and don't forget to follow our page and sprinkle this video. Happy crafting!